step into the exhilarating world of Bitcoin, where your investment could not only double or triple, but could potentially explode tenfold. The Bitcoin revolution, a transformative digital currency sweeping the globe and reshaping our understanding of financial freedom. Over the last decade, Bitcoin has soared in popularity, captivating millions with its potential for impressive returns. And here's an exciting twist. Research shows that women are exceptional investors. With our keen risk awareness, meticulous research habits, and outstanding patience, we are uniquely equipped to navigate the ups and downs of Bitcoin's volatile market. Historically, women have been underrepresented in tech and finance, but now is the time for us to lead the charge in the Bitcoin revolution. It's more than just a passing trend, it's a financial revolution, altering how we view and interact with money, offering a golden opportunity for women investors to step forward and make their mark. Bitcoin, the first decentralized cryptocurrency, made its grand entry in the financial world in 2009. This groundbreaking innovation was the brainchild of an enigmatic figure who goes by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Despite countless theories and investigations, Nakamoto's true identity remains a mystery, adding a layer of intrigue to the Bitcoin story. Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that operates without a central authority. Bitcoin was created with a clear purpose: to offer people control over their own money without interference from governments or banks. It was Nakamoto's response to the 2008 financial crisis, a time when trust in traditional financial systems was at an all-time low. Fast forward to today, Bitcoin has become a global phenomenon, challenging the traditional financial system. It has sparked a revolution that has the potential to change the way we handle money forever, and the story is only just beginning. Now, let's delve into the intriguing concept of the Bitcoin halving. Picture a vast digital gold mine where thousands of people are chipping away at the rock, each hoping to strike it rich. In the world of Bitcoin, these miners are rewarded with new Bitcoins for their labor. Here's where the twist comes in. Every 4 years or so, the reward for mining is cut in half. This event is what we call the Bitcoin halving. So why does this happen? It's all part of a system to control the supply of Bitcoins and prevent inflation. Consider it like a pie. When Bitcoin was first created, the pie was sliced into 1 million pieces, and miners were rewarded with 50 pieces for every block they mined. But every 4 years, the size of those pieces gets halved. It's a bit like a digital gold rush, where the amount of gold discovered decreases over time, making the remaining gold reach more value. Now you might be wondering, how does this impact the value of Bitcoin? Well, it's all about supply and demand. By reducing the supply of new Bitcoins, the existing ones become more valuable. It's a bit like diamonds. The fewer there are, the more valuable they become. This halving process will continue until all 21 million Bitcoins have been mined. After that, no new Bitcoins will be created. This scarcity is what gives Bitcoin its value and makes it an engaging topic of conversation. In short, the Bitcoin halving is a pre-planned event in the life of Bitcoin, where the rewards for mining are halved, limiting the supply of new Bitcoins. This scarcity drives up demand, making existing Bitcoins increase in value. It's a system designed to prevent inflation and ensure the long-term sustainability of Bitcoin. So, the halving essentially reduces the supply of new Bitcoins, making the existing ones more valuable. You might be wondering, why does this Bitcoin halving even matter? Well, the answer lies in the fundamental economic principle of supply and demand. When the supply of something decreases while demand stays the same or increases, the price generally goes up. Think about diamonds. This is exactly what happens with the Bitcoin halving. You see, the Bitcoin halving cuts the rate at which new Bitcoins are created in half. This means that the supply of new Bitcoins entering the market slows down. If the demand for Bitcoin remains strong, this decreased supply can lead to an increase in Bitcoin's price. That's the power of the Bitcoin halving. Now, let's think about this in terms of if gold miners suddenly found that they were only pulling half as much gold out of the ground, the scarcity of gold would increase. If people still wanted gold just as much as before, the price of gold would likely rise due to its increased scarcity. The same principle applies to Bitcoin. But here's where it gets even more interesting, because the halving is a planned, known event. It's often priced into the value of Bitcoin before it even happens. This means that the market anticipates the decrease in supply and adjusts the price accordingly. But if the demand for Bitcoin after the halving is greater than what was anticipated, the price could rise even further. So, as an investor, understanding the implications of the Bitcoin halving can give you an edge. It can help you anticipate potential price increases and make informed decisions about when to buy or sell. The Bitcoin halving can potentially skyrocket the value of your Bitcoin investment. Ladies, there's never been a better moment to dive into the world of Bitcoin. The future is unfolding right before us, and it's digital. This is our time to shine and shape our financial destinies with the power of cryptocurrency. Join the revolution and embrace the digital age with confidence and savvy. Now, why should we consider investing in Bitcoin? Let's start with a simple fact. Financial independence is empowering. It can be a game changer, breaking chains and opening doors. Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency, could be a tool to help you to achieve this independence. Just think about it for a moment. Unlike traditional financial systems, Bitcoin is free from governmental control. It's a global currency not tied to any country or central bank. This means you control your own money, and nobody can freeze your assets or limit your transactions. And let's be real, who doesn't like the sound of that? Bitcoin is also an investment opportunity. Remember the Bitcoin halving we talked about? It reduces the number of new Bitcoins entering the market. And when supply is low and demand is high, what happens? Yes, prices tend to rise. This means that investing in Bitcoin today could potentially yield high returns in the future. And here's the exciting part. Bitcoin is still emerging, and not everyone has recognized its potential. This presents a unique opportunity for us as women to step in early, to become leaders and influencers in this burgeoning space. Studies show that women are great investors. We tend to be more risk-aware, we do our research, and we're patient. These traits can be advantageous when investing in something as volatile as Bitcoin. It's time to shatter the glass ceiling in the world of cryptocurrency too. Women have every right to participate in this financial revolution, to take control of their financial future, and to secure their own wealth. So let's step into the Bitcoin world. Let's learn, invest, grow, and secure our financial future. Because ladies, Bitcoin isn't just for the boys. Bitcoin could be your ticket to financial freedom and security. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? The future of Bitcoin, just like any currency or asset, is a topic of much debate. Nevertheless, there are many positive predictions circulating. First off, the optimists. These are the folks who believe that Bitcoin's value will continue to skyrocket. They point to a number of factors, like its limited supply and growing demand, as well as its potential for providing financial services to the unbanked populations around the globe. Some of them even predict that Bitcoin could reach the staggering value of $1 million per coin within the next decade. We also have the balanced perspectives. These experts see Bitcoin as a promising but still developing asset. They believe its value will continue to grow, but at a more moderate pace. They also emphasize the value of diversifying your investment portfolio to manage risk. However, it's important to remember that these are all just predictions. Nobody can predict the future with absolute certainty, especially in the world of cryptocurrencies where things can change in a blink. That's why it's critical to do your own research and consider your own financial situation and risk tolerance before making an investment. And lastly, remember this: Bitcoin is more than just a potential moneymaker. It's a groundbreaking technology that's reshaping the way we think about money and finance. So even if you're not ready to invest, it's worth keeping an eye on and learning about its potential. Bitcoin certainly offers a unique investment opportunity that's worth exploring. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful crypto info.